The Coach Hamptons Hobo Bag is a classic, structured hobo bag inspired by a 2005 best-selling design. It features a sleek clip hardware closure, an adjustable short shoulder strap for hands-free convenience, and a spacious interior with room for your essentials. Color. The Hamptons Hobo Bag is available in various colors, including black, brown, tan, and blue. The price of the Hamptons Hobo Bag varies depending on the material and color. It typically ranges from $295 to $395. Size. The Hamptons Hobo Bag is considered a medium-sized bag. It offers ample space for your essentials without being overly bulky. Review. The Hamptons Hobo Bag has received positive reviews for its timeless design, quality craftsmanship, and spacious interior. Many customers appreciate its versatility and ability to complement various outfits. However, some reviewers have noted that the bag can be on the heavier side due to its structured design and materials. The Hamptons Hobo Bag is part of the Coach Originals collection, which celebrates the brand's legacy and authentic New York heritage. Coach offers a restored version of the Hamptons Hobo Bag, which is made from gently worn vintage bags that have been restored by their skilled craftspeople. You can find the Hamptons Hobo Bag on the Coach website or at authorized retailers.